Your girl needs to lay off the premium Costco vanilla ice cream that she has every night. So we're gonna make a little like protein dessert to satisfy my sweet tooth. I'm gonna make the fluffy yogurt. I bought these cute little mini Nilla wafers to go with it, and I have some strawberries. I think it'll be delicious and it'll satisfy the sweet tooth. Little container. I'm gonna add some Greek yogurt, non-fat Greek from Walmart. I don't know, maybe like that much, like 3/4 of a cup. Add some double acting baking powder. You don't want baking soda, you want baking powder. P for puff, S soda for spread. I learned that trick on TikTok about a year ago. I'm gonna start with probably a little less than a teaspoon. And then I've got Jell-O cheesecake, sugar-free. So, I don't know, I'm just gonna eyeball it. Not that much. Stir it. I'm gonna pop this in the fridge, let it set for a little while, and then we'll add some toppings. Okay, we're back. This has been in the fridge for about an hour, and instead of me eating premium Costco vanilla ice cream, I am gonna be eating this for dessert. I'm gonna cut up a couple strawberries to put on top. Obviously using my new knives because they're amazing. If you're here from the No Sweat series, don't worry. We have a new recipe coming tomorrow and I'm super excited about it. Okay, strawberries. Put a couple of these mini Nillas. This looks delish. Yum. Oh, this is so fluffy. Look at the fluff. Look at that fluff. Unnecessary. That is quite tasty. Delicious. This will satisfy the sweet tooth and not have me eating Costco ice cream.